So this vehicle's been sitting here 2002, yeah, 4 years, along with this one. This one used to run good. This one ran like a bag of shit. I got the least hope for starting this one because it barely ran in the first place. So we got to find out what's growing under the hood and if the door still opens. Cool. Dave's junk storage depository. Let's see if there's anything living in the gas cap. Yeah. Bees again. We got live fucking bees. Oh, live bees. Yeah. Again. Hope it don't need no gas. Fucking burrs. Okay. Sometimes we see a rat or coon, but I forgot I left a good battery in here. Damn it. Spark plug wires aren't chewed. Let's go get a good battery. That pisses me I wasted that battery. Hey buddy. Okay. Now let's figure out if I've got the key. Try one. No go. 3. Oh yeah. What's that? Number 6. We got potential to get moving. Burrs. Guess I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Alright. Battery up. Let's see what's gonna happen. Well, bees, this is your big moment. Here we go. Oh, she even cranks. I don't know if this thing's got gas either. Come on. Fucking, we got gas in her now. Let's see what happens. I wonder if it's got any spark. Don't seem like it. Never fired once. light's not on anymore. Still no go. I'll dump a bit more gas in. Why ain't the oil light working? Try number 3. We dump some gas in the intake. I think we definitely got no spark. I give up. Piece of shit. Fucking bees.